Hey man, Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. Just wanted to take a quick video of the ZL1 for you. Front looks good. There's just a couple of light little spots right here that we've touched up. Kind of a really light scratch right there. Nothing crazy out of line for a car of this year. Let me show you the wheels there. There's no scuff on that wheel. No scuffs on either of the fronts from what I can tell. I'll show you these back ones real quick. This one does have the sunroof. There's the back driver. The back passenger. I go down the body here. I didn't have time to wash it. Our cleanup shop was so busy today. Carbon fiber on the hood looks good. I'll let you look down the driver's side. It's got one key with it. Driver's side's in really good shape. The only thing, like I said, is this shift knob. It's kind of a little ragged, but still doable. Steering wheel looks good. No real wear or tear on it. Passenger seat looks good too. Hope this provides a little more clarity, my friend. Thanks a bunch.